Today I will show you how to import data from Notion to Anytype. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Anytype tutorials. Open Anytype on your desktop after you successfully download and sold it. Click on the Get Started option of your channel, click on Channel Settings, and head over to the Import section under Integrations. For the Import section, choose By App, and head over to Notion, click on Notion. And here you need to paste your integration token in Notion, so you need to have an integration token here. So to find your integration token here, you need to open a new workspace or Notion and head over to Connections. Here you will be able to create a new connection, and in the connection name, add your connection name and read content. And here on Content Access, just need to have the access configuration. And here you will get to access your access token under the configuration in the connection section in Notion. So this is it, guys. This is how to add important data from Notion to Anytype. If you found this guy helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.